Welcome to another ABC Grab'nGo on-demand webcast. In this webcast, we're going to go over the Hydronic L230 heater maintenance procedures. The combustion heater can supply extra heat when the engine is unable to provide the heating system with sufficient hot water and maintain a proper engine operating temperature at the same time. The floor radiator heating system automatically cuts in when the reheat system is not active. This normally occurs at outside temperatures below 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Within the heating circuit, an electric auxiliary water pump forces the coolant through the combustion heater and through the coach's heating system. All the coolant passing through the combustion heater is heated. When its temperature is lower than the set point of the combustion heater, thermostatic control. Knowing this, the Espar heater requires routine maintenance. Caution! Due to danger of poisoning and suffocation, the heater must not be operated in confined areas such as garages or workshops without proper ventilation. Make sure the timer, if installed, is not set when the vehicle is parked in the garage. The heater should not operate for more than 1 hour before starting the engine, as this could discharge the batteries. One of the special tools needed for your Espar maintenance is your EDITH tool or ISO adapter, shown here in the picture. Part number is 22 1541 89 0000. In order to use this ISO adapter, you will also need the Diagnostic connector. ABC part number is going to be ABC-14452. You will need this ISO adapter to hook into your Espar heater so you can monitor temperatures, see any code stored into the system, and you can also see the time that it's actually ran on the heater. The PM schedule for the Espar heater is found in the back of the Espar maintenance manual. Please note, this manual can be downloaded at the following link below. Step 1 in your Espar preventive maintenance. Check your electrical connections. Disconnect the plug and the electrical connections with the heater cable harness. Check for oxidation. Spray plug-in connections, and after completing item number 5, reconnect. Check electrical fuses for oxidation and contact resistance. Step 2. Check your heat exchanger for signs of leaks. Clean the outside and inside of the heater. Step 3 is going to cover your fuel system. Check fuel lines and connections for leaks. Replace your fuel filter insert with seal if available. Open fuel cocks, check fuel pump running time. Next, we're going to go over your burner head maintenance. Check the combustion air intake opening for a free passage. Remove the burner head. Check inside of housing for accumulation of fuel due to leaks. Check inspection window of flame monitor. Check your ignition electrodes. Replace your nozzle if needed. Step 5, your exhaust system. Check exhaust pipes for free passage, clean if necessary. Remove flame tube from heat exchanger. Check both parts for damage and dirt, clean or replace if necessary. Insert the flame tube and install burner head. Ensure secure connection with the heat exchanger. Reconnect all electrical plugs in the connection. Step 6, water system. If available, clean the water filter insert. Also, make sure all water stopcocks are open. Once you've reinstalled everything on your Espar heater, it's now due for your functional check. If available, open the stopcock in the return line. Check functions of the heater after at least 10 minutes of heating. Make sure it's not getting overheat. Look for smoke during the afterrun. If necessary, replace the nozzle. Please note, nozzle replacement is recommended every year or 600 hours of runtime, whichever occurs first. Changing components. The components listed below must be exchanged at the end of the given operating period. The heat exchanger after 5,000 operating hours. Burner after 3,000 operating hours. Nozzle after 600 operating hours or at least once a year. To find out the operating hours on your Espar heater, you would have to use your EDITH ISO adapter that we discussed earlier in this webinar. And then you could go on and actually see your operating time as shown below. And this concludes another ABC Grab-and-Go on-demand webcast. For questions regarding this webcast, please contact ABC's Technical Service Department at 877-427-7278. Listen for the prompts for Coach Technical Support and select the appropriate option. Support is available at this number 24/7.